Well, Australians absolutely live for the outdoors, but here I am in Sydney, inside on a 32-degree day. That's 90 degrees for you Americans. But otherwise, we're at the beach, maybe the weekend barbecues, or at the campground, caravan park. Basically, outdoor living is where we want to be, no matter how hot it gets. But when you want some relief from the heat though, there is something that can bring the temperature down. So it is called the FlexBreeze Pro Mist from Shark, and this is a battery-powered cordless fan that also has a water misting feature. So let's take a closer look. So everybody knows how useful a good pedestal fan can be on a hot summer's evening on the patio or the balcony or your indoor-outdoor space. But the extension cord is definitely a trip hazard and it can be hard to position the fan just right. Well, the good thing is that Shark's FlexBreeze Pro Mist solves this problem by incorporating a battery. I think this is really cool. So that's right, now it's a fully featured cordless fan. So naturally you still get oscillation, 5 speeds, and 3 breeze modes. And at the highest speed, you can feel its cooling effects up to 20 meters away. You can also tilt the fan for that little bit of extra flexibility, but where things can get really clever is basically down here in the water tank. The Shark FlexBreeze Pro Mist has a detachable 4.5 liter water tank. So this powers a misting function where the fan blows a fine mist to boost cooling when it's being used outside. So I'm using it here in the balcony area, riding my exercise bike, and the Shark can just blow this nice cool mist on me to cool me down. Now Shark reckons that with the right fan settings and mist function turned on, you can get up to 6 degrees of cooling. And this can really make all the difference between spending the evening lounging in the garden versus hiding inside under the main air conditioner. Here's a top tip for an even bigger cooling boost. Fill the 4.5 liter water tank with ice blocks and then water. It really does cool things down. Shark says that the battery is good for up to 24 hours of use on low, 6 hours on medium, and 2 hours going full bore. And this is without using the mist function, so just keep that in mind. It's also quick to recharge. Just plug in the fan and you'll be ready to go again in a few hours. And the fan works while charging too, so you get the best of both worlds. Because the fan mists with liquid water, using the misting function should only be used outside, so keep that in mind too. You can, however, easily detach the water tank and bring the Shark FlexBreeze inside too. And then you can use it like a regular pedestal fan, either on battery power or plugged in. This is quite a hefty fan, but the design really does help keep it quiet. Now there's a remote to switch the various modes, but check this out. With a click of a button, you can detach the fan from the pedestal and then it becomes a desktop fan. I love this. You can even keep using the misting mode by taking the water tank off the stand and setting it next to the fan like this. And when the summer's over, everything packs down nicely, making it easy and compact to store. If you want to start preparing for the summer, the Shark FlexBreeze Pro Mist fan costs $399.99 and it has a 2-year warranty as well. So I think this is a great option just for keeping you cool at home, and I just love that versatility of being battery powered, or you can plug it into the mains, and when you need that extra cooling down, you can use the mist function. I'm Val Quinn. Let us know if you have any questions about it in the comments, and be sure to give us a like and a subscribe because we'd love to bring the next tech video right to you.